Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to make your website faster in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my website homepage in Hostinger Website Builder. What makes Hostinger Builder websites load slower is these big images. As you can see here, I use an HD photo or a big size photo. Same thing with these small featured images. Now, even this image is small. Let's open it in a new tab to see the size. As you can see, let's save this image. As you can see, the size of this photo is more than 1 megabyte. This is what makes my website slow. First, limit the use of photos. This is the first step. The next step, or the photos that you cannot skip on, you need to optimize them or resize them to make them small in size. As you can see, this is the first image. This is the second, third, the fourth, and the fifth image. Now I use 5 images plus 8 images for IG and 1 for this contact form. So to resize these images, instead of using your images from the Unsplash service, for example, let's edit this image, replace. Instead of using big photos from this service Unsplash, which gives you HD photos, instead of that, select your websites from this service, open it in a new tab, copy it like that, and go to this online Photoshop called photopea.com. Now, since your photo is copied to clipboard, just hit Ctrl V or Command V on MacBook. Now go to File, then Export As, and select JPG. As you can see now, my image is just 11 kilobytes. It's I think it's around 1% of the original size. You can adjust the size of the photo by using this quality slider. As you can see, the more quality you get, the bigger the photo. Now hit save. Now my photo is downloaded to my computer. And go back to Hostinger Website Builder, change your photo, click on replace, and now instead of using this Unsplash service, click on upload file. Now this is the original one with 1.2 megabytes. Let's find my image. This is just 49 kilobytes. Click on open. As you can see, it is added to my library. Click on select, and it will be replaced. Yes, the quality is a little bit lower, but the benefit of the fast loading is more important for us website makers. Don't forget, this is just an image in this blog post. To change the featured image that appear in homepage, go to post settings, then this featured image tab. This image should also be replaced with the small size photos. Repeat this for all the images appearing on your website, and your website will load faster for your visitors and also search engines. And this is how to make your website faster in Hostinger Website Builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have 2 free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.